On Instagram, CFS commonly stands for Content for Sale. This phrase has gained traction as a way for creators and influencers to monetize their work by offering exclusive content to their followers for a fee. In a digital landscape where creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to support themselves, CFS has emerged as a viable option, allowing them to share premium material that goes beyond what they typically post for free. The concept of content for sale taps into the growing trend of subscription-based models and exclusive content offerings. Creators can provide their audience with behind-the-scenes glimpses, personalized interactions, or specialized tutorials, creating a sense of intimacy and exclusivity. Followers, in turn, feel valued and appreciated as they gain access to unique insights and experiences that are not available to the general public. This dynamic fosters a stronger connection between creators and their audience, enhancing engagement and loyalty. Moreover, CFS is not limited to a specific niche. It spans various fields, from fitness and fashion to cooking and art. Each creator tailors their offerings to suit their brand and audience preferences, leading to a diverse range of content that caters to different interests. This adaptability is crucial in a fast-paced social media environment where trends shift rapidly. While CFS presents exciting opportunities for creators, it also raises questions about accessibility and inclusivity. Not all followers can afford to pay for content, which can create a divide within communities. As the concept evolves, it will be interesting to see how creators balance the desire for monetization with the need to maintain an inclusive and engaged audience. Ultimately, CFS is reshaping the way content is consumed and valued in the digital age. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.